Now today I'm going to make a really quick snack, very tasty. What I'm going to be making is a camembert and cranberry sauce toasted sandwich. Simple to do, but absolutely delicious, so give it a go. So for making up this toasted sandwich, I'm just going to go through the ingredients I've got. Now, all you're going to need is some bread. Now, what you want is nice, thick slices of bread. Now, I've chosen to use this one. This is actually rosemary and salt. Now, I thought the rosemary goes really well with the camembert, so add a little bit extra flavour. So I'm going to cut a nice couple of thick slices from this loaf, but you can use any bread you want. Now, I've also got my Cambembert cheese there, so take it out of the packaging, slice some off and put that in the middle of the bread, along with some cranberry sauce, which you can buy that in a jar, or if you want to, you can make your own. But, you know, buy it in a jar, keep it in the fridge, and it's all ready to go. I'm going to add a little bit of balsamic vinegar. And then finally, I've got me butter, just for buttering the outside of the bread. Now, for cooking this, I'm going to do mine in a frying pan, like a skillet on the hob. But you could alternatively do it in the toasting machine, if you've got a toasting machine. But I'm going to do mine on the hob with a frying pan. So what I'm going to do is just cut the bread, get the camembert ready, and we're going to make up these beautiful sandwiches and get them cooking. So I've come over to the hob and I'm going to quickly make up this sandwich. Now, all you need is a bit of butter. Now, tend to have your butter at room temperature, just makes it a bit easier to spread. I'm using proper butter, especially if you're doing it at Christmas. So just get enough on there so it's all covered. And then what we can do is just pop that in the pan there. And again, I'll do the other side as well. So again, let's pop that in there like this. Switch the heat on. Now, while we're waiting for that just to warm up and slightly brown off, I'm just going to cut some of this camembert into slices. Like that. And then what I'm going to do is just place that on top with a little bit of the balsamic vinegar, the cranberry sauce, and we're ready to go. So just going to grab the camembert, place that like that. There you go. That'll melt down, so it'll fill in the gaps anyway. Beautiful. Now let's get just a little bit, not too much, of the balsamic vinegar. Now some people do put fruit in theirs. You can use strawberries, you can use apples, you can use pears. It's up to you. You know, it's up to you. You make your own sandwich. So I'm just going to use cranberry sauce because it keeps it nice and simple, and it just makes a really delicious sandwich. Now let's just check the bread, see how we're doing. We can always flip it in a minute. So I'm just going to leave that cooking away. Now you do want to give it a bit of a squash down, like that. And just leave that cooking on one side until it's gone nice and golden brown, and then flip it over, do the same on the other side, and then it's ready to serve up. Simple as that. Delish. So, just going to cut that in half, like that. And there you go, got a beautiful sandwich. Now let's take a little bite out of that. That is delicious. The melted camembert cheese, and it goes so well with that cranberry sauce and that little bit of rosemary in the bread. And it is so easy to make. This kind of thing doesn't take any time at all. And it's a little bit of a change to your normal toasty cheesy sandwich. Add a bit of fruit if you want in there. Make it your own sandwich, but do give it a go. It's simple and delicious. Thanks for watching my channel. If it's around Christmas time, happy Christmas. But go and check my other videos. Don't forget to ring the bell, subscribe, leave the comments, and watch my next video soon. See you again, the original Naked Chef.